This program provides a lot of really good fundamentals for the electrical field, and with that, it also brings a lot of confidence. The curriculum that we have here really matches the needs in the field today. If I didn't believe that, I wouldn't be here. We try our very best to hire instructors that have a lot of time in the trades so they can do some curriculum enrichment, and so they take an already good program and make it that much better.
So what sticks with me is the teachers. We've had some good teachers in here that have helped me get into my career that I'm in now. They're willing to help you grow as an electrician, grow as a person, and it'll really teach you values and cores, and it'll set you up for a career. I think that's the best thing about this program.
Being able to come to class every day and ask all the questions, I mean, Kim will tell you I'm one of those people that if I think of something, I have to know it right away, and you have to be able to explain it to me. And they've done very good at accommodating that and being able to answer all my questions.
So some of the things that they learn in the program, of course we have lecture time, but then we have really great hands-on labs that dovetail nicely to that curriculum. And we do OSHA 30 hour for construction, we do conduit bending, wiring methods and materials for residential, commercial, industrial, and programmable logic controllers. It's a lot of variety, so they can get into the field and have a good idea of what's available to them, and then they can focus on a given direction that they have the most interest in.
When I walked in, did the walkthrough with Mr. Como and Mr. Schofield, they were very inviting. They didn't make you feel like an outcast.
Going back to school, it made me grow more as a person to know that, like, if I put myself to a goal, I can do it. To
everyone thinking about getting in the electrical trades, just give Carrington a call. That's my problem. I was interested a year before I even called them.
When a student is ready to go to school, they're never more than about 4 or 5 weeks away from one of our starts.
I've been training for this. I think I'm ready for a career.
Just be prepared to absorb everything we have to offer, and then you'll be able to take that out into the field and really change your life and the life of your family